Well, what's up, guys? I feel like it's been so long since I've done like a casual vlog like this where I'm not really going anywhere or doing anything. Well, I am doing something exciting, but I'm not really going anywhere. I'm just kind of in my bed in my PJs with some messy hair and no makeup on. But we are moving again. I cannot believe it. So a couple months ago, back in September, we moved to Miami from Orlando. Because we were trying to save money for a home. So we had planned to live here for a few months and to buy a house. Unfortunately, we're not buying a house right now. I wish that we were. But Miami ended up being awesome because we got to hang out with my family and stuff. However, we haven't been able to make very much money in the serving industry down here. So we started looking for professional jobs because I graduated college a year ago and I wanted a professional job anyway. And I applied all over the country. I applied in Seattle, LA, I applied in New York City, I applied in Denver, I applied in Orlando, I applied in Charleston. I applied to so many different jobs all over the place. And I finally got a hit in Atlanta. So we are moving to Georgia, and we're actually moving in 1 week. I have 1 week to pack everything, find an apartment, get a U-Haul. I just can't even tell you how much stuff that I have to do right now. But we're super excited for this next journey. I've never moved out of state before, so I'm a little nervous. I don't really know what to expect. I don't know if I'm gonna love it or hate it. But I'm just excited for a new opportunity and to do something different and to have like a professional job and not be a server. I'm just really excited, and I thought I would take you guys along with us on this journey. So today's video is probably going to be like just a packing video. I'll probably be taking you through till Thursday, which is when I upload my vlogs, and then next Thursday you guys will probably see us actually moving. So I'll take you on our road trip with us from Miami to Atlanta and kind of show you guys the unpacking process as well. So I'm not sure how many videos we'll do. I might do like another vlog with like an empty house tour and stuff like that. But we need a house first. So anyway, it's going to be a long week, but we can do it. And I'm very excited. Anyway, I'm watching some vlogs right now. I'm currently watching Charles and Allie. And I think I'm gonna watch some Barbie movies because I've been really wanting to watch them. And I also want to watch like some Disney movies to catch up before Kingdom Hearts comes out. Who's excited? I'm so excited. But anyway, yeah, that's kind of what's going on. And I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video.
Hey, you. I saw you from the distance. Hey, you, can we talk? Hey, you.
A little update for you guys. So we basically took everything, well, I did. Blake is at work right now. Took everything that was ours out of the closet. This is the only stuff that's ours, are these two things, and then these drawers have Blake's stuff, and then these things for my candle company that are literally ready to move. Excuse me. So I got all of that cleaned out so that I could start stacking some stuff on the floor. But in the process, all of our stuff just kind of got put in the middle of the room and on the bed. And then over here in this corner was where that dresser used to be. And I just moved it so I could start stacking over here as well. Don't mind the floor. We obviously have a ton of stuff everywhere, so I really need to sweep. And that's probably why I'm sneezing, because I have dust flying everywhere. But I have a lot of work to do, guys, and I'm going to try to get as much done as I can before Blake gets home so he literally doesn't kill me when he sees that giant pile on the bed. So anyway, that's what's happening right now. And I'm watching Jackie vlogs, and yeah, that's basically it. I'll give you another update in just a little bit. Progress. I got a box packed. I got my wrapping paper kind of bunched together so that way it doesn't like separate when we're moving. They all stick together. And then some of the floor is cleaner now. Woohoo! But I thought it was so funny. So I pulled out all of my bins from under my bed. That's them right there with all my movies and stuff. And Nala just decided to make her little home down there, huh? And yes, excuse the floor once again. We have a lot of fur and fuzz balls from her toys. Say hi! What is up, guys? So it's been a little while since I updated you. It is currently Wednesday. Oh, Nala's not happy about being outside. It's currently Wednesday. We still have a lot of packing to do. We've had some changes of plans. We are gonna actually move in with my sister-in-law for a couple of weeks. We're gonna be putting our stuff in storage temporarily until we have the funds to move into our own apartment. Or we're all gonna move in together. We haven't really decided yet, but living with her temporarily is gonna give us some time to save up a little bit more money than kind of just rushing into an apartment and all of that entails, like electricity and internet and all of that stuff. But last night we had our last family night here in Miami. It was really nice. My parents bought us Amici's, which is our favorite pizza here. So thank you guys so much. And yeah, today the plan is just to continue packing. I have to print a new passport photo for my my name change on my passport because we're going on a cruise in a few months. And Blake is actually driving up to Orlando today to go to Atlanta tomorrow because he has another job interview. And then he's going to be leaving his car there and then flying back. So that way we only have to take my car and the U-Haul this Saturday. But yeah, and then tomorrow I have to do like more logistical stuff. I'm going to go get the passport photo done. Or I already did the photo. I just have to go get the actual passport done. I have to get an oil change, and then Friday is just gonna be like last minute stuff, like I need to give Nala a bath, I'm gonna have to wash my sheets and stuff like that before Saturday, but all of that stuff you guys will probably see in next week's vlog because I'm gonna be uploading this video tomorrow on Thursday. But yeah, I hope that you guys are enjoying so far. I'll show you guys what the room looks like right now. Still kind of a mess, but I'm about to start packing yet again. So we still have a huge pile of clothes over here that we need to go through. These I bought from Target yesterday because luckily Florida put all of their winter stuff on sale the week we moved to Georgia, but they were on sale for 50% off. And I really wanted to get a pair of slippers like these for in the mornings when I walk Nala because it's going to be really, really cold outside and I'm not going to want to like tie on my sneakers when I just woke up. So I got some of those. But yeah, the piles are pretty much the same. I got all this done last Saturday, I want to say. So I packed my shoes, but I need to pick which ones I'm going to take with me to my sister-in-law's house. And then Blake's shoes. Sorry about Nala's food all over the floor. All these shelves are cleared, but I just need to clean them all. And then I have all this stuff to put away. I need to empty this dresser. Blake's dresser needs to be emptied, and then we have a ton of laundry to do. But that's basically how we're doing so far. So we're not doing too bad. We still have a few days to go. And that's basically it. Alright guys, here is your update. So I did all of the dressers. They're all clean, and I got the floor cleaned as well. I just need to get behind the dresser and under it, as you can see, that ball of cotton right there. And I'm still missing some socks. I think they might be under the bed, but everything that's left to be packed is up here. So I can just throw it in a box tonight. And I just have my clothes over there that I'm going to be wearing for the next couple days, and then some stuff that needs to go in like my bag that's coming with me. But everything else is packed. Blake's stuff still needs to be packed, but it's just clothes and shoes, so it should be really easy. So my next task is going to be to clean the bathroom and to get that bathroom stuff packed. I also need to start cleaning the kitchen stuff and putting it away, and then I'm also going to do my car because it's super dirty. And yeah, that's basically it. Nala's taking a little nap, and then once I clean my car I can start loading it up. So woohoo guys, we're doing it. Not as stressed as last time if you saw that video. I'll probably tag it at the end of this one where we just moved a couple of months ago and I was very, very stressed. But the lucky thing about that was we already have like most of our stuff packed at my mom's house, like all of our kitchen stuff. We have like a lot of our movies, books, all that stuff is at my mom's. So we really just had like the books that we had here and the movies we had here and like our clothes and just a couple kitchen things. So we didn't have a ton to pack. But yeah, that's basically what's happening. I hope I'm not boring you to death. I hope this is actually fun for you guys to see. And the next couple weeks as well with us moving and like maybe an empty apartment tour and things like that. So it's very, very exciting. Alright, so this is what my trunk currently looks like. I just got done putting all this stuff in. I'm gonna put some more in once Blake gets home to just kind of like stuff it in so that stuff's not like flying all around. But I'm really proud of it. The only thing that I still want to do with my car is take off these parking stickers that literally I can't get to come off. This one looks fine. Oh no, it doesn't. But they're so stubborn. Like, see this one? It still has the blue underneath. So I'm gonna try to get that taken care of, but the rest of my car looks really, really good. I vacuumed. It looks so good. And then I put a new air freshener in there. All my little Tsum Tsums are hanging out. And the back is clean as well. And I left a blanket that I had in there for Nala because she's gonna be riding with me on this journey. But yeah, I got that checked off my list. Feeling good. What's up, guys? So it is currently Thursday. It is currently Thursday and I am about to edit this vlog for you guys to go up today. Today I just got my oil changed in my car, so it's ready for the road on Saturday, and did just a couple other errands and stuff like that. I'm currently just eating lunch, trying to eat what we've got in the fridge before we leave, and that's basically it. So next week's vlog will continue for tomorrow through our move. And then we'll probably be back on track with the fun, exciting vlogs where we go to new places and stuff like that. But I hope that you guys enjoyed anyway, and I hope that you're having a wonderful, wonderful week. And I'll see you on Tuesday with a new video. Bye!
Hey, you, I saw you from the distance. Hey, you, can we talk? Hey